Hi, are you a student who would like to make a cup of coffee? Then join me and I'll show you how. First, clear a space. Then take your kettle over to the sink and fill it up. You might not want to put it all the way in the sink because your sink is probably disgusting, but you just have to make do. Turn on the kettle. Grab your favourite mug. Get your coffee of choice and a spoon and some sugar. You're probably frightened through lack of sleep, so I like to add 2 spoons of coffee. Add some sugar, but only a little bit because you're already sweet enough. Now wait for that kettle to boil. Almost there. There we go. Now add that boiling water. Give it a stir. Now you probably can't afford milk of your own, so just take some from your housemate. Act like nothing happened and add some to your coffee. Now to wash up.